Baby, come here. Wait, you bought the TV? I'm asking you something. Why did you break it? Talk to me. Why did you?
Mama so much. This is the first time I'm commenting. I'm trying to tell you, but you keep supporting your wife every time. That I think she needs to leave this house.
Wait, hold on. You want to tell me just because my wife despised my mother?
Yes.
She broke my flat screen TV?
Yes. So you will send Mama away out of the house.
But is it true? Say something now. Is it true?
Baby, you see this? I don't like your mother. How can she be staying with us? What is all this? She's occupying space in my house. Let her go back to her husband's house. What is all this?
Not again, babe. We spoke about this thing earlier. Babe, what was wrong with you? Before she came to this house, I told you specifically that please, whatever God is to have against my mother, forgive her. I took her out for shopping. I gave her up to 10 million just to bribe you.